On this episode of Live with Link, I'm going to show you how to make a wicked fried chicken. This, guys, is my take on KFC's fried chicken in Trinidad and Tobago. Let's get going, and I'm going to make some flavorful fried chicken. Let's go. How to clean this chicken in great detail. Let's go. Okay, so what you want to do is just cut the butt off. Nobody wants that butt. Bye, butt. Go ahead and slide your knife behind the back of that chicken. And then, boom. Right there. So simple, so easy, so fantastic. Goodbye. Now what I want to do is make this a thigh and a drumstick. So go ahead and find the joint just by looking fit right there. That's the joint right there. So you want to go ahead and cut that right down the center. Okay? So go ahead and cut off any excess skin. Goodbye, skin. And now, a perfect drumstick and a perfect thigh. Guys, if you're missing Trinidad and Tobago and you're somewhere here in Toronto, I'm going to be showing you how to make a wicked KFC fried chicken. So, I have my chicken here that we just cleaned and I'm going to be seasoning it. This is not going to be in my 30-minute videos because I want to season this chicken for about 45 minutes to an hour because I want the seasonings to really soak into this. And I want to remember home, I want to remember Trinidad and Tobago. And this style of chicken will bring me home because we love our fried chicken. So, let's go. Thyme, green seasoning, salt, paprika, black pepper. About a tablespoon of everything for these two chickens. About a tablespoon of everything for these two chickens. Now let's mix it together. Let's put some buttermilk, about a half cup of butter, and I'll see you in about 45 minutes to an hour. Now watch me rub this together so you know how to do it.
Now what I'm going to do is add these dry ingredients and the green seasoning to the chicken.
Okay, let's rub this together with our hands.
Watch as all of these ingredients now stick to the chicken and will be fantastic.
In the chicken. Simply rub these seasonings into the chicken.
Now you can see this smells great and will be so great.
Now that I've finished this, let's put this away when I plan to blow your mind with some fantastic fried chicken. I'll see you in about 45 minutes to an hour. So that chicken has now been seasoning for about 45 minutes to an hour. Let's go ahead and get the flour seasoned for this amazing chicken. As we're doing that, let's get this heat to a medium because we need it to be not too hot, but not too cold, so we can be ready for this chicken. Alright, let's go.
Now we're going to season the flour. So we're going to start with about a tablespoon of paprika. Now we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of black pepper, a pinch of vegetable seasoning, and now panko, about a half cup. Give it a quick stir with a fork.
Get all of those ingredients together. Wow, it looks great. Now that we have all these dry ingredients mixed together, let's go ahead and add the chicken, get it out, batter it, and let's get it in the fryer. Let's go, guys. We're almost finished and I'm excited. But while we're waiting, let me tell you an unknown fact. Trinidad and Tobago, number 2 in the world for consumption of KFC fried chicken. Guys, we love our fried chicken. And I can't wait to how easy and simple it is to go ahead and make this at home. Because guys, I love this recipe and it's super simple, super fresh, super delicious. Let's go. We have this oil here at medium heat. We have our seasoned flour right here that we made from before. Let's get it buttered and let's get it seasoned and get it into the oil. Just dropped it from medium heat to low heat because I want to we are going to fry it all the way through in here, but at KFC they have a pressure cooker for their fryer. So how are we going to simulate the same thing? We're going to cover it and start it off at a low heat and it's gonna be beautiful. Let's go.
Now it's time for the fun part, guys. What we're gonna do is simply put our chicken that we had from the fridge into this flour, completely cover it, and get it right into the fryer. Follow along.
Let's go ahead and put this in here. Again, the nice fair wicked fried chicken. It's gonna be fantastic and I can't wait for you all to try this at home. Now the key to making wicked fried chicken at home is cooking all your legs separate from your thighs.
Now you want to make sure to cook them separately because the drumsticks cook faster than the thighs because they are smaller and weigh less.
I'll see you soon and I cannot wait to eat this chicken. Smells delicious and I can't wait.
Look how golden brown and crispy these chicken look. Try this recipe at home and I promise you would thank me later. This is beautiful, crispy fried chicken.
Let's take this beautiful fried chicken out of this oil now. Time has passed. Whew, beautiful. Let's go ahead now and get the thighs in. It'll take a little bit longer than the legs.
Follow the same process for the thighs, but remember, about 2 minutes longer in the oil.
Here it is, we're all done.
I thoroughly enjoyed making this and I can't wait for you to try it at home. Please send me a like, subscribe, and let's make some more content together, guys. Let's go!